Namaste and happy 78th Independence Day to all my brothers and sisters. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर ऊंचा रखना हमेशा इसका जब तक दिल में जान है. With this positive spirit, welcome back to Torque Time. Today here we have a historic car that holds its traces of origin back to 1953. It's not only a best-selling car for Mercedes but also for Indian luxury market with over 33,000 plus units sold till date. और जैसा कि हमें पता है, E-Class is a perfect blend of luxury and performance and offers a great package at an affordable price. So here we are thrilled to present in front of you the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 220D 2020 model. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं एक्सटीरियर के बारे में. ओवर हेयर वी हैव अ सिंपलिस्टिक येट अ वेलकमिंग डिज़ाइन विथ फाइन एंड पावरफुल क्रोम ग्रिल ट्रिम्स विच आर स्पेसिफिकली मेड फॉर E-Class segment. Over here we have a massive 3-star Mercedes logo and a Mercedes-Benz logo proudly displayed. Here we have dynamic bumpers for a proper airflow, giving it a sporty vibe. Headlights की बात करें तो here we are equipped with LED high performance headlamps के साथ and we get LED tail lights with a crystal look and adaptive brake lights. We have rain sensing wipers to give a clear visibility during rains. बात करें panoramic view sunroof की, so we have a sunroof and a moonroof. Though from the exterior it looks like a plain slab but is partitioned from the inside. बात करें remote key की, तो here we have a special feature to access all the 4 windows, the 2 side mirrors and the panoramic view sunroof from the remote key itself. Over here we have a special feature that it steals from the S-Class, that is the soft closing doors. Talking about the side mirrors are electronically enabled with automatic indicators, and some of the minute details but impressive details are the autograph of Carl Benz, the founder himself. Talking about the E-Class 220D, here we have 4 color options. Over here we have obsidian black, graphite grey, polo white and high-tech silver. Over here we have a boot space of about 540 liters and again the boot can be accessed from the remote itself. A massive boot space ताकि आप अपना सारा सामान कैरी कर सकें. Over here we have a stepney. The best part about the stepney, the minute details that Mercedes has looked into is that it is packed firmly to prevent any accidents from for the rear passengers. Also the stepney doesn't has any alloys, but still you can run the stepney up to 70 to 80 kilometers per hour and can go to your nearest service station for a tire repair. So talking about the design perspective from the side view and the rear view, over here we get a C-Class coupe like profile but a bit longer one. And बात करें dimensions की, तो first up talking about the overall length, over here we have a overall length of 4,923 millimeters, a proper height of 1,468 millimeters, a wheelbase of 2,939 millimeters and a width excluding the side mirrors of 1,852 millimeters. Over here talking about the ground clearance, we have a ground clearance of 110 millimeters. Some customers have reported a issue that if you take the car at a place where we have a water level of 25 centimeters or above, there may be an issue with the airflow chamber that water may enter. So it is advised by Mercedes to stop your vehicle and not accelerate it further, or else it can give you a hefty bill at the service station. Now talking about the wheels, over here we have 17 inches stock alloy wheels, or else you can have an upgrade option to 18 or 19 inches as per your requirement. Over here we have 5 alloy wheels and a disc brake both at the front and the rear wheel. About the fuel tank, over here we have a diesel fuel type fuel tank and an additional AdBlue 25 liters fuel tank that जो basically reduces the carbon emission or the harmful pollutants that the vehicle leaves in the atmosphere. Also talking about the city average or the mileage, the company claims that over here we have a 15 to 16 km per liter of average. अब बात करते हैं इसकी इंटीरियर की. Over here we have a perfect blend of ultimate luxury and comfort. The moment you step inside, you are welcomed with premium materials and elegant design that screams sophistications at its peak. Talking about the doors, first up here we have wooden designs and premium Burmester sound surround system, electronically enabled seats with 3 memory seat options, and blinds at the windows, at the smaller windows for the rear passengers and at the panoramic sunroof, but these blinds are not present at the front passengers, and these blinds can be controlled by your remote or the armrest tablet. Now talking about the seats and the pillows, over here we have ultimate luxury leather fine stitched seats and comfortable pillows for sleepful rides. And switching on the engine, we get an access to a standout feature that are the ambient lights that can be adjusted to different colors as per your moods and as per your vibes. Next up we have reading lights, light enabled vanity mirrors for the rear passengers, which is something that is not usual in every vehicle. Over here we have a convertible armrest, which most probably you will be using because it is not there is not a good room for the 5th passenger. Over here we have a tablet from where you can access all the settings of the vehicle of the media and some additional extra road settings for more luxury. Over here we have wireless charging support and some extra space for storing your stuff. Over here we get a USB charger, but in some other models we get only C-type charging ports. Talking about the dual zone climate control system, over here we get 2 climate control system for you and your passenger to have temperature adjusted as per your needs. Also here we have 2 cup holders for the passengers to have beverages. Come now, let's take a look at the front seats. First up, over here we have a steering, a beautiful steering that is wrapped with leather and feels like it's hand stitched and is very grippy. इसमें हमें सारी utilities मिलती हैं from accessing radio to receiving calls. Next up, over here we have digital information cluster and digital infotainment system, a dashboard that extends to wooden trims and AC vents that can be adjusted beautifully to your needs. Over here we have a classic watch for looking for the time. The infotainment system can be accessed through digitally, or it can also be accessed through touchpad. Suppose I want to turn on the ambient lighting. To fire it and adjusting the brightness. Next up, over here we have some extra spaces that opens beautifully. USB type charger, but as I mentioned earlier, over now we get only C-type ports for charging. Also talking about the doors, over here we have premium Burmester sound surround system, ambient lighting for a vibe, and a drawback that we have in 220 from 350 is that in E-Class 350 you get memory seat options, but here we only get electronically adjustable seat options. Next up, we can also adjust the steering according to our needs and our settings. And on the steering we get paddle shifters and gears if you want to drive on manual modes. Mercedes has no compromise in that and has many safety features, with some of basic and impressive highlights being 7 airbags, ABS, electronic stability program, blind spot monitoring assistance, assistant driving assist, active steering assist, and tire pressure monitoring. Talking about the performance, let's take a look under the hood. Over here we have a large and massive hood and engine with insulation material for heat dissipation. Talking about the engine, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 220D may we get a 2-liter and 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine and engine displacement of 1950 cc. This generates a 194 horsepower and a 400 Newton meter of torque. That is enough to give you a powerful and responsive driving experience. Diesel होने के बावजूद it gives a refined and smooth ride. Talking about the transmission, over here we get a 9G Tronic 9-speed automatic transmission system that gives ultra smooth gear shifts, giving effortless cruising in city traffic and at highways. 0 to 100 km/h की speed can be achieved in just 7.3 seconds, and it has a top speed of 240 km/h. With driving modes like Comfort, Eco, Individual, Sports and Sports Plus, you can have a comfortable ride according to your mood and according to your terrain. Talking about the competition of Mercedes E-Class 220D, we have BMW 5 Series that has a 2-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine and produces a power output of around 190 horsepower. Next we have Jaguar XF 2-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine and a power output of around 180 horsepower. Volvo S90 that again has a 2-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine and a power output of around 190 horsepower. Audi A6 that has a power output of around 190 horsepower, and Lexus ES that has a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine and a power output of 214 horsepower approximately. Overall, Mercedes E-Class is a valuable and good package, but some of the impressive features that stands it out of the competition are the Mercedes Me Connect app. This feature lets you stay connected with your E-Class 220D at all times with your smartphone. Through Mercedes Me Connect app, you can remotely access and manage various vehicle functions such as checking your car status, locking it, checking the parking location, and even controlling certain aspects like climate settings, locking, unlocking doors, locking and unlocking windows, and many other features. One of the safety features also includes pedestrian protection system. Safety, which is a top priority in E-Class 220D, not only for the passengers but also for the pedestrians. The pedestrian protection system helps in minimizing the risk of injury in case of any accidents involving pedestrians. It includes features like active hood, which rises at the event of collision to reduce impact and thereby enhancing the pedestrian safety. ये काम ऐसे करता है कि suppose at the speeds of up to 50 km/h, if a person comes in front and collides, the bonnet rises by 20 to 25 millimeters at the upper end, so that to give a cushion-like effect to a person. Based on the experience from the Mercedes owners themselves, we have figured out a summary for the Mercedes E-Class expenses you should consider. First up, you should have a budget of 50 to 60k allotted separately for annual expenses on services and repairs. Secondly, the brake pads are to be changed in every 6 to 7 months as they fade off. So you should have a budget of 35k allotted for them also. And thirdly, there is a warning of water level for the E-Class, that you should not take E-Class at places where the water level is above 25 centimeter, or else it can have a huge impact on your bills. Talking about a pro tip, you should consider going to official service centers until your E-Class is is under warranty period, and after that find an individual, a good dealer whom you can rely on, and for more cost effective services. Talking about the conclusion, I personally feel Mercedes are more often a chauffeur's car, but still E-Class offers some of the best steerings, gear shifts and road stability. If you are looking for a more of a powerful and performance driving experience, I think choosing BMW would be a wiser choice. But if you are looking for a chauffeur's car and at affordable price, then E-Class is the best choice available in the market. Okay, so today we have with us Mr. Sarthak, a representative from ARJ Select, to guide you all further with the details of the vehicle. Hello.
Hi Sunay, how are you?
Fine.
Yeah. So hello everyone, this is our Mercedes E-Class 220D variant it is, and the details of this vehicle is it is driven 22,000 kilometers. It is a 20 manufactured and 20 registered vehicle with a insurance valid, and we deliver pan-India services too. It is a first owner vehicle with a diesel engine. Price of this vehicle will be 48 lakhs for you. Details of this vehicle will be there in the description below. Sure. Thank you.
If you like the video, so please make sure to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.